What's up, guys? This will be my first YouTube video of my 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Just giving you guys a glance of some of the issues you'll be looking at in the future if you invest in one of these. Now you see my gauge going up, and here in a little bit you'll see it go all the way up. It's gonna be cooking. And that is what I think and what I've been looking at other channels and stuff. The symptoms of a bad thermostat. Look, it just jumped all the way up 215. And it's gonna keep going up as I drive. So, probably shouldn't have floored it. Oh well. So on the way to the dealership to pick up a OEM thermostat. They have it on hand, so hopefully I make it all the way over there before this thing cooks itself. I don't know, it could be a bad thermostat, could be a bad radiator, could be a bad water pump, but the water pump was put back in November. We're in May, so a couple months back. So I don't know what the problem is. I'm just, starting somewhere. See, all the way up to 228. Ooh, it's hot. I've been having this car for about maybe 8 months now. I've been watching YouTube videos. Shout out to the people that have posted YouTube videos on this. I'm gonna be the next one posting a YouTube video on this. Hopefully I don't mess up my car or anything, but super hot. Not maintaining the level. And I'm gonna try to turn on the heat, because they say turn on the heat while you are going overheat. And yeah, that thing is blowing hot. I'm gonna roll down the windows. Start the video back up once I get the parts and stuff that you'll need if you want to follow me in changing your thermostat on your Jeep. See, now it's back down a little bit. Alright, yeah. We back. Let's quick start right here. We back. So let me show you guys the part that I got straight from the dealership. So it's right here, made in Mexico. It looks like right here, thermostat with the rubber ring, rubber seal, the airflow. Rated for 203. So this is OEM part. Okay. This thermostat. This with the coolant. This is the type of coolant it needs. 1 gallon of coolant, and you mix it with 1 gallon of water. This combined altogether $155. Alright, I'm gonna start heading back. We're back. Alright, so I'm about to take off 2 bolts. Each are 13. Videos that I saw just said take off the 2 bolts. So here it goes. 6.4 liter. Catcher right there.
Ajá. El otro, ¿para dónde déselo? Apúrate, ya se para acá, espérame. ¿Para no tirar agua?
Y esta cosa. So this goes this way. And here. 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Different ones. Quién sabe qué es lo que le falló. So I don't know. Mira, So I don't know. So they do look different, but it's a different piece, a little bit different. So I guess that's aftermarket, and this is Mopar. So that one has all metal in the middle. This one has rubber in the middle and the rubber seal in the middle. So all right, let's put this. It should go in 12 o'clock with the airflow right there. So that boy is sealed in. And we got a the old one, as you can see, didn't look the same as factory. This is from Moto Rad brand. I guess don't buy this brand. I'm gonna go in OEM. You saw us take out the thermostat. Now I'm filling it back up, getting all the burps out of it. Still coming up some burps. Let it sit for a while. You see the coolant level is stable. It doesn't look like it's going down. I try to top it off. I'm waiting here to see if I see any movement. But looks good. So I put everything back together, put the cap on. I fill it up to where I saw that it wouldn't go down anymore. Make sure this is tight. Yep, super tight, super tight. This is tight too. Yep, tight. Nothing is loose. Everything is good. Start it up. Let's see what happens. If I mess it up, that's done for the SRT. So turn it on. Put the windows down. Blast the heater. All right, let's check for leaks. We're trying to let it come up to temperature. But y'all let me know if y'all have a SRT Jeep. Leave a comment. Like I said, this is a 2016 SRT Jeep. Let me know what you got, what year you got. No leaks. Well, that's just from earlier when I took out the fluid. That's from earlier. Seems good. I'll turn the video back on once it hits the temperature, which is measured for like 203, 204, to see what's up. But right now it's staying pretty cool. When I started it up back then, it was going up pretty fast. Now it's just staying pretty cool. But I'll let y'all know. The coolant temperature is still going up, but it hasn't been going up like dramatically in the beginning. So it's about to get to that point where it should start letting the coolant in, and I've been out here maybe, let's say 10 minutes. The Jeep, el SRT. Alright, I'm gonna take the catch can out. See the liquid? It looks orange, but it's pink. When I bought it, it came with the K&N filter. You still have to recharge it. Maybe I'll upload a video on how to recharge this next. Let me give y'all a quick tour around. Sounding good. It didn't come with that exhaust. I bought that exhaust. It's AWE touring exhaust. It's like $2,000 for that. SRT. Alright, let's see. Hot air still hot. Yep, super hot. 203. It looks stable. Now we just gotta gotta take it for a spin. There's a lot of problems of SRT. One, they try to steal it. Two, parts are expensive, maintenance expensive. And then if you have high mileage like mine, I have 95K, you know, something's gonna go out. First product, Mopar product that I have, and I'm enjoying it, to be honest. Everybody, I get a lot of people that are like, yeah, thumbs up, cool car. It's a nice car. It's my daily too. You know, maybe I'll do some vlogs next, but this is just a repair video. Good, not overheating at all. Looks good, everything good. I'm gonna close the hood and take it for a spin. Alright, so taking it out for a test drive. Actually trying to go get some food real quick. But it's maintaining a level, so that's a good sign. It might be noisy because I got the windows down. Yeah, definitely you see a difference for sure. Yeah, quick, easy fix. You know, dealership's gonna charge you like, they already charge you $100 for the part. Then they try to charge you for labor like an extra $200. Yeah, don't spend the extra $200 to get somebody. You can do it yourself probably. Y'all let me know if this was helpful. If y'all want a quick tour of the Jeep, more Jeep stuff, let me know. Alright, yeah.